How you going, everyone? Back again. This is a very fun video for you to watch, not for me to make. So what we got is we got a Lenovo laptop. It's a L390, and both the charge ports were actually completely fried. So there's the charge ports right there. So two of them, and both of them were completely shot. So, which is, I've never seen that before on a laptop, but I'm sure it happens. It looked like something else is damaged there, but it's not. And then we had some fun because part of the board was actually damaged as well. So enjoy the video. It's I was going to say it's fun to make. Probably wasn't as fun as it sounds. Like, I hate trace repair. It's horrible. It's so fine. People don't realise. The people that do trace repair know what I'm talking about. The people that have never done trace repair, you have no idea. It all looks good on video. It looks so easy, but honestly, all my shoulders are sore from kind of tensing to try and make it happen. If anybody's got any good trace repair videos to recommend, feel free to chuck them up in the comments. I don't mind. And or anybody that does really good trace repair. Yeah, I'd like to harness my my skills a little bit more. I did a fair bit of trace repair back in the day, but like the last time I did trace repair is probably 4 or 5 years ago. So, I've been doing some docs here and there, but not trace repair. And it was just in a real shitty spot, this one. So have a look. Tell me what you reckon. I'll do a bit of an outro as well. And I'm going to fast forward it because at the end of the day, it's a 2-hour video. Like, it took so long to do it. And then my camera failed again. So kind of messed up half my video. I had a dream and the GoPro killed it again. So, but that's right. Onwards and upwards. We'll make it happen. I've still got the camera for the scope, or the video for the scope. So that's all that matters. I'm not going to hold you back any longer. Enjoy. I'll see you at the other end. Thanks. Bye. That's off. Now, I'll do this again because I would have just washed it all away. So there we go. Let's give it a shot. Try and drop these two out. Where's that one? Let's turn it off. Yep, that one's good. Next one. Sorry about that burning stuff, it's just a double-sided tape. Nice, look at that. Geez, they were good, weren't they? Wow, there you go. Alright, so let's flip these up, see if they're both, I'd say they'll both be the same, but you just never know these knobs. Okay, so we've got one set of pins and the rest is through hole. Ooh, don't know if I forgot those. Who got it? No, it's hitting that. So we've got the two, which that's in line with that pin, that's in line with that. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright, so that one's good. Then we've got the second one. So we've got all the pins. Yep, we've got your hole, through hole, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yep. Wow, there you go. Look at this. Not really sure of those in a while, are we? Got plenty. Alright, nice. So now what I've got to do is get rid of these two. So let's have a look at these let's have a look at these under the scope. So they must be pretty bad. They look pretty bad, didn't they? Just in case I didn't see them. Wow. They are trashed. The pin's completely hanging out. That one kind of is too. So that whole front's kind of snapped off then. So that's a fresh one. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Jeez, what a difference. Yeah, there. Wow. Okay. Alright, well, at least we know. So what I'm going to do, we all know I like to clean the holes out. I don't like to leave holes, just the way I do it. Some people don't, some people will do. I'm one of the cleaning out hole people. So this will take me a couple of minutes. What I'll do is I'll just fast forward it. Camera's moving, sorry about that. It's on a bit of a weird angle. If it moves again, I'll give it a different spot. So that's what we want to see there. See all the pins are there? So you can see through the holes. Where are we? Through the holes, you can see the pins. I can see all the pins are sticking out. That's what we want. Now that's the first one. What about the second one? Yes. So see we're missing a pin there. So that means that one curled over. So let's pull that out. What I'll do, I'll try and fix it. A lot of the time these will just break off, they're just so fine. It's worth the effort. Try it, sure it does. Now, how is that? Make sure it's straight in. Let's have a look. Oh, went straight in. It's the wrong way. It's upside down. Okay. Oh, there we go. Yep, all in. All in. All in. Let's come up alright. Alright, turn it over, give her a clean. Did notice that, I don't know if anybody noticed that, but what do you reckon? I reckon that's fried. Might have to see if I can get another one of those. Which I'm guessing is from the charge port, that charge port being completely shot. Look at this, look what I did. Look, don't let the smoke out, let the plastic out. It was way too hot. My own fault, but it should be alright, but if it's not, then we'll solve it. Okay, rotate that around. Right there. Cool. Oh, this is going to be fun. I'm not two-handed as far as both doing meaningful tasks. I'm a very right-handed person. Ambidextrous, whatever. Omnidextrous, I don't know, whatever it is. I guess I am a little bit. Okay. So what I'm going to do, that's cooked. I'm going to see if I can find another one of those. Switch it out. First one, isn't it? Oh. So what we'll do, I'll put that there. I hope we don't pull the light up again. And then give that a bit of go-go juice. Try not to cook that port any more than it's already been cooked. It welded itself to the board. So the ones are at this end. Alright, let's have a look. Oh, that's pretty bad now. Alright. So see what we can do. It's definitely cooked. It's going straight into the board by the looks of it. Well, the line's still there. That's a good sign. Maybe if I can get it back in there. It's going to be awkward, isn't it? But you can go there. Oh, I need you. You can go there. A bit of stability up that end. Back you off a touch. Right in the center of the screen. And then let's see. We can't. And that is actually the leg of that unit, which is fine. You can fix that. So let's get that off the board. We don't need that. Get rid of that one. And then let's give this a clean. And start pulling other stuff off the board. Really? Oh man. What are you doing? Alright, so looks pretty good. So what we'll do, we'll clean. And then we need, where is my, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull this one off. Oh. That does. Yep, cool. Nice. Alright. So what I was just wanted to look at, I wasn't sure of, is this is obviously the one that's torn off. I wanted to make sure that it goes straight through, which it does. So you can see there. So it looked like it did. I just wanted to make sure it did. Alright. Get some focus back. Alright, got our focus. Now what I want to do, I want to clean all this up. So obviously don't want that shorting. And what I'll do, hopefully this is still good. It's been here forever. I couldn't even tell you how long I've had this stuff for. Got to be going off by now. And I think that's good. Don't want to damage the camera. Alright, now we need some of this. So, we just want a string, don't we? Or do we want a square? So the square. What do you reckon? Alright. Ready? Oh, should have done that, should I? Stuff all over my hand. Alright, we've got a thicker one, have we? No, that's it. Alright, just take that one. Okay, then zoom back in. Okay, and then I need something else. Doing bloody surgery. Bloody cleaner. Alright. Give that a get rid of a bit of that liquid. Okay. So we want to turn it a little bit, don't we? Oh, like that. Oh, almost perfect, isn't it? That'll do. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. Well, I need to dry these. It's got way too much liquid there. Now what I'm going to do, just going to see, I've got a new tip there, but I don't know what it is. So look, that looks better, doesn't it? Let's get one of those out. Oh yeah, that's what we need. Sorry if I'm just talking to myself. I do apologise. You all know when you get in the zone and you're kind of just doing it, and yeah, just need to kind of get it done. You don't get a lot of shots at these when you, particularly this sort of stuff. You only get 1 or 2 chances to kind of get it right, and if you mess it up, it's you can either do damage to the point where you just can't fix it. It is just over, or you've got to kind of keep going back and doing it again. So I don't want to do either. I just want to kind of get it done. Actually, I'm not going to get any extra solder. I'm just going to use the solder from here. No, I'm not going to use the solder from there. Come on, there we go. That's what we want. And then if we can get that to go down as well. No, it's not what we want. Didn't do it. That was complete balls, that wasn't it? So I mean, don't get a lot of shots at these. Try again. Come on. This does not want to solder. Then all this stuff's kind of been sitting away in storage, and I just don't know whether that's causing any issues or whether it's just me. Could be a bit of both. This might come off. I'm just going to have to clean it because there's just so much junk coming up from that board. Put a light on. Yeah. Alright. What I'm going to do, I'm going to actually clean this. I'm going to do this differently. This part, this is just not working. Right, give that a clean and a dry. Okay, clean, she's dry. So I just moved that, I didn't I? Put on my finger. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to put more mask down there. Okay, let's do that again. Oh, I'll do it. Zoomed as it goes. clean it without trashing it. Nice. That's exactly what we want to see. Alright, cool. So now I just want to dry it a little bit. And then I want to mask it up. Now what I want to do before I go too far, just make sure I'm not getting everywhere. Been there before. So can't go to that pin. Alright, so just make sure we've got it this side to this side. Yeah, which time? Right, nice. So now I'm going to put this on. I'm going to put it on for a little bit extra. I want it to really go hard. I'm happy with that. What we'll do, I'll just give it a little, give this one a little bit of a scrape. So, we're good. We'll chuck a little bit of good stuff on there. Chuck that one. This one. Oh. I don't know probably what it should have been, but bouncing around everywhere. What I might do, I'll just give this, there it is, a bit of a, Right. I'm not going to say it's a perfect job, but it's a job. And hopefully it's better than what it was before I got it. I guess we'll find out soon enough, won't we? Definitely did a number on that charge port. There you go, good as new. Alright, let's see if it works. The $1 million question. Thanks for watching it. Hope it wasn't too much. I tried to cut out some junky bits that I just thought were pointless. I did end up doing those traces a couple of times to get them done, but you know, I want to show stuff, but I don't want it to just be pointless, you know, just watching me make mistakes for a couple of hours. There's no point. So I ended up having to do the docks twice because the pin's bent. And then yeah, I did leave the one in there where one of them still got bent, but I managed to bend it back. And then on top of that, that trace wire, I had to do that a couple of times. I didn't get that on the first shot. So yeah, it was just really fiddly where it was. I probably went a little bit too far with it. I probably could have got away with something a bit more basic, but at the end of the day, I wanted to do it properly, and I think it's done properly. So feel free to judge me, good, bad, otherwise. I'm happy for your opinions, and she's all up and running. So just got to chuck the keyboard in it, chuck some screws in the bottom, and she's ready to go for sale. So that'll be ready tomorrow and probably up for sale and possibly sold by the weekend if all goes well. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. I hope it was interesting. I really do. And there'll be more of those, I'm sure. I've got a couple of boards here I'm trying to work on, and it's just finding time to sit down and spend the time on them, because it can take a couple of hours to go through all the different things, try and work out what's wrong with them. So, but I will keep you all posted and just keep putting content out. I've only got 330 days left, something like that. We're getting close, getting very close. Have a great day, great night, great anything else, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.